Sometimes I think she just got away from this important. Rocky Mountain fills my memory. Rocky Mountain music. Mama, can I hear you sing to me? Today.
Well, guys, we're gonna try again. Take her out for a ride. Looking like a almost Southern Ontario version of a John Kerry day. Well, we're going to a car show today. Let me turn down the music there. You're not going to be able to hear me here. Now, you've come to this car show with me before. Yeah, it's in LaSalle, one of the car dealerships. Went there last year, but didn't have the truck on the road at the time. Hoping to run into another one of our YouTube buddies. He said he might go, but might be a little early for him. But anyways, guys, we'll get some shots of the car show. And this, I think, is going to be my last car show for the season. And then I am going to start tearing back into her. She's leaving leaving her mark every time she parks there. I got to do something with that pinion seal. Other than that, I'm thinking about just trying to line up the panels a little better and just do a few things I didn't do when I was throwing it together. Anyways, guys, we'll see what we get you. Thought I was on the way to a car show. Looks like I got stuck in a marathon or some kind of run-a-thon going on in town here. Everybody else is turning around, but that's the way I want to go, so there's no real options for me. Oh, we'll wait and see. Oh, hold on. Well, it looks like the marathon's still on their way in Amherstburg, so I better put the camera away. We got the boys up here at the intersection. See you later. Got a nifty t-shirt. It was kind of different. The place was packed, and when I brought to bring my camera out, everybody ran away. Actually, they had planned a cruise around town, and everybody just barreled out of there to go for that cruise. And I looked at the map, and they were going out on the highway, and I wouldn't have been able to keep up. So I stuck around for a little bit after that, got a couple pictures, and then that was it for me. So anyways, unless something changes, that'll be it for the season, I think. I'm going to start taking this thing apart again. And I haven't found too many issues, to be honest with you. I had an issue with this door popping open on me earlier, but straightened that out. I'm going to take care of a few leaks and a few rattles. Give her another coat of primer, maybe. Oh, maybe even paint. We'll see. Anyways, guys, we'll get back at her and get some videos going here. See ya.